Hi, my name's Charlie, and I'm pretty new to all this social media sort of reviews, videos and pictures and that, but we're going to give it a bash anyway. So what I tend to sort of use social media for is really sort of just put it out there for people that like myself. I haven't got deep pockets, so you know, everyone with all these singing and all dancing products that are out there, which there is, which, don't believe me, I strive to get in the future. But I'm going to start sort of not my price range to start off with, and the first one I'm going to talk about is the MTC Optics Rapier laser rangefinder with the ballistic application to it. And I'm not even kidding you, like, if the prices was that, I think it's outstanding. So it's only going to be a brief video, sort of show the capability of it, of what under 250 quid can get you. Because, like, I'm not even kidding you. I think any sort of airgun hunter that is out there, or even sort of target shooting for airguns, this should be in your armoury, this should be in your kit bag, especially with this price. It's nice, it's lightweight, it's cheap, but it is accurate. You know, a couple of my friends have got the Vortex sort of HD1000s and 4000s, and you know, we were messing about the other night and pinging telegraph poles anywhere between sort of, because this is only a range of 1,000 metres, so we're pinging about like 980 metres, and this is in the same thing, it's giving you the same reading. So definitely worth its money, and especially now I've put all the ballistics coefficiencies and all the data into the app. So obviously it's speed, scope height, the BCs, now that's all in there. Literally we're zapping targets from anywhere from 60 metres out to a point where 266 metres, and literally it's just impact. It's wicked bit of kit. So there it is, the MTC Rapier ballistics laser rangefinder. Sort of throughout this little video there'll be little snippets, and what I'm going to do, unfortunately I haven't got one, is a scope cam. I will invest in one, but I have various targets out there. So I've got a steel gong, which I'm just going to zero to, and then I've just got a load of spuds out there sprayed up yellow, which they're anywhere from me to 100 metres away. It's just going to demonstrate sort of what happens, and then I'll sort of give a brief description later on as to what and how it works, and sort of how it gives you all the data you need to adjust your turrets accordingly. So yeah, thank you for watching for now, and just go and hit some spuds. Right, so in this frame, so I've got my steel gong just there in the centre of the screen. That's 38 metres, that's my zero. But then what you've got, you can look left hand edge, we have one bright yellow potato at 100 metres. Unfortunately, what you can't see, I'll show you later on. Inside the display, it will tell you how many clicks. So once you've set it all out, you know what your scope is, whether it's a 1mm click or it's a quarter, half, MOA clicks, depending on what your optics is set at, it will tell you how many clicks to come up. So we'll go big to start off with. We'll go for that far left hand side one. It's telling me 100 metres, 26 clicks. So let's see what happens at the 100 metres, which is this one just here. Probably difficult not having a camera, man. Hey. So let's see what happens. So that's 26. Got a bit of wind, but we'll hold off for a minute. No, I ain't been funny, right, but that obliterated that. So again, 26 clicks up, first round, impact. These potatoes, probably what? Just over 2 inch in size. It's the body of a pigeon, it's the body of a crow. So, you know, not even that. If that was a fox, so obviously, you know, some of the permissions we've got, are paddocks. That there, sort of on its head, it will drop it. So the next one, as we can see, 85 meters. That's telling me 17 clicks. So again, let's see what happens. Let's go down to 17. 17 clicks. Get laid up. Well, we hit it. We just pieced it a little bit, but either way, it's working. So put some more out, and we'll go for further distance. So we've got 2 more out there. One at 113 meters. Double check. Yep. And then, which is sort of right to the screen, and then in the grass, just on the top. We'll say it's a rabbit's head. Where's a potato? That's at 79 meters. So we'll go for the rabbit's head first at 79 meters. So again, it's telling me 14 clicks, and then we'll go for far right potato. This is 113 meters at 33 clicks. Let's see what happens. Well, didn't aim off very well for the wind. That's my bad. But we got it. And then the potato. "78 meters, 14 clicks. This time we'll aim off a little bit for the wind. There we go, look. Honestly, 250 quid. This is bang on. Absolutely bang on. Love it. Couple of the trees now. Sort of trying to simulate a couple of squirrels cutting around. And these are what, 60 meters. So it's telling me to come up 60 meters, just 6 clicks. And this time we definitely have got a sort of right to left one. So we're definitely off for this. Well, the wind's just stopped, but nailed it, second shot, but again that's my bad. The wind just dropped as I squeezed that trigger, so the aim off would have gone past it, but hey, we got it. And then I think somewhere there's a couple more there. One of them is actually the left hand side of the gateway. Struggling to see that one, but yeah, let's have a look. What are they at? 65 meters, so only a couple of it says 8 clicks, a couple of adjustments. So let's see what happens here. See if we can miss a few more. At the end of the day, we're only human. actually see that one. But anyway, you kind of get the gist of what's happening. So yeah, MTC Optics Rapier laser rangefinder ballistic application. Definitely worth its weight in gold for its price. Again, it doesn't break the bank. It does, sort of like myself, I'm going to contradict myself here, I suppose, looking at what we're outfitted with. A budget hunter, I suppose, my pockets ain't that deep, but I've been very fortunate as my setup, which is FX Impact M3, this is FAC, she is 84 foot-pounds, but I was fortunate because obviously I'd worked hard, I did save a lot of money, and I did find the Vortex Razor HD Gen 2 pretty cheap, to be fair, for what I paid for it about 3 years ago now. And I actually got the FX of a friend of mine, so I was fortunate in that way. But again, this, I should have got this a long time ago. I mean, it is relatively new on the market. Well, I believe it's the first time I've come across it. Everything that I keep looking at is obviously a lot more, and especially when you want the ballistics on it, a hell of a lot dearer. But I'm telling you, worth having your kit bag, especially like if you're airgun hunting, definitely worth it. Helps you out knowing, as you can see from the videos, which I hope you did enjoy, sort of smacking potatoes. Again, definitely missing a few shots, because why? We're only human, not perfect, but still. 2.2 FAC air, out to 113 meters so far. I have gone further, but just for the purpose of this video, keep it short and sweet. But like I say, I hope it's demonstrated sort of what the capabilities are of this little device. It really is worth the money. And again, in my eyes, proof's in the pudding. All the potatoes have been smacked, and like I say, we all know a potato, good 2, maybe 3 inch, some of them are smaller. That's a body of a squirrel, a body of a pigeon, any kind of corvid, rabbit's head, rabbit's body. Either way, it's all within sort of the killing zone of any form of quarry. So, hope you enjoyed it. I plan to do a few more coming through the future, sort of discussing what I do, what kit I've got, and again, obviously a lot more videos on out and about, rat splatting, feral pigeons out from the barns and from the farms I've got, bit of foxing, try and get some deer stalking videos. I do a bit, but not a lot. But again, hope you enjoyed, and please, I'm starting a YouTube, well, I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel, which has just started, so I'll put the link in the bio, and yeah, just give it a like, follow, subscribe if you like it. If you don't, well, thank you anyway.